There's Adam. You're gonna crash. Oh, put your head down. What a sweet boy. Can you wave bye-bye to Grandma? Say bye-bye. You are so sweet. You are so sweet. Oh, Adam. Say hi to Grandma. Say hi. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
I tried.
There he goes.
I said,
Say bye-bye to Grandma. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're going to say bye-bye. Whoa. Good boy. Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy.
I've never seen a baby walk like that.
Me either.
Come here, Adam. Come here. Walk to me. Come here. Come here. Oh, look.
I'm looking out for my big sister, my little sister.
That was real good.
Yes.
Here's July and,
88.
yep.
Ooh, it's cool.
Hmm.
Taking a break.
Come here, Adam. Let's walk. Adam, walk. Come here.
That was a twin
Carrie.
Carrie's
Is that comfy?
I don't care. Come get
I
me.
don't- What's he doing?
Patty cake, patty cake. Patty cake, patty cake.
With the ribbon in her mouth. Here she was sitting and Adam was walking.
I'm walking around the block.
Uh-oh, basketball's in the way.
Fan basketball. She's like,
Carrie.
I want to come.
Carrie. Carrie. Carrie.
I don't know.
Carrie.
Give me a ribbon, I don't care.
Patty cake for Grandma.
She wants to come get Adam.
Carrie.
I don't care.
Patty cake for Grandma. Patty cake, patty cake.
Here he comes.
Adam, are you going to walk some more?
No.
Come here, Adam, walk. Come on, walk to me.
Here she
Adam. Excuse me, please. What? Carrie? Carrie. Sit.
Oh, it's too bright.
Adam. He wants a ribbon, too. Say, no, Adam. Come here, Adam. Adam, come here. Adam. Come here. Adam. Come here.
Yeah, don't poke her in the face.
Take care of all Adam.
Who has her?
There's Adam. Can't see him.
I don't know who got Carrie. Oh, there's Alec. No shirt.
That's like Toxway.
Yeah, it's a blue canoe.
That's what we always had. Pat painted it yellow.